I just want to say, like, there's people obsessively bitching about the drum shotgun right now. Bro, like, you can use the thing too. Everybody can use it. Like, I literally have not played the game in 2 days. But I'm telling you, like, why are you bitching about it when you can use the same thing too, bro? Like, just get better at the game. Stop bitching. Like, you literally get mad at people for using it, and then you're using it. But you can't use it. You die to it. Bro, it's not unfair because you can use the thing too, so it's not unfair.